these are the shoes. So one pair of my husband's, two of mine. Actually, I have another pair downstairs that I'll bring up. This is the glue. And then I have this little guy has a stone missing, and then these I want to turn into shoe clips, and then this is a picture frame that's a little wobbly and I want to tighten it up with the glue. I have, like, no joke, like PTSD with like any kind of crazy glue, because every time that I try to use it, it dries out. And so I want to get like as many of the projects done right now as I can in hopes that it won't dry out. This does say like clean the area and everything, but like I'm just not gonna do that. It's like, I should also have my sunglasses on. I'm gonna do the frame. The frame I kind of cleaned already, so you guys don't need to see me. You could see the crafts. Okay. So it's just like wobbly. It has like finishing nails in it, but like, I just don't trust the nails. Ooh, okay. Wow, that was like crying to come out. I feel like this is the back side of the frame, so we don't have to get too fancy with it. Okay. I don't think the bottom needs it, but we're doing it, so we may as well do it. There's definitely finishing nails in here, but they just need to be like hit in more, but I'm just gonna do this instead. All right, let's hope that that does something. Trying to be as quick as possible, but I'm stressed. All right, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna take some glue off, because we don't need a lot. Cool. That one's done. You can sit over there, have a seat, take a seat. All right, let's open these up. These two, so this goes like this, so I think I have to put it on this side. I've never done this before, but these two were earrings and I just put that in, and I'm just gonna put them on. I think they're gonna look so much cuter as shoe clips. So let's just hook it in and smash it on. Yeah, that's cute. And we'll hook it and smash it. I could not figure out where these came from. I was like, I don't know, it looks like paper. Maybe they were on a card. And then I was looking through my wedding album and I was like, oh, they were on my wedding shoes. And I donated my wedding shoes, but I took those off. I donated those shoes to DSW. But I took those off of them. So let's see if this is even gonna work. We'll put that inside. Will that work? I don't know. Like this. I'm putting them on silicone so that I think it won't stick. We're on phase 2 of the shoes, and this made me think I could just use some caulk, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna caulk them. Hello. So everything has cured or dried or whatever, and so I want to show you. This is a typical outfit I would wear to walk my dogs. I wish I was kidding. I'm pushing my feet up, and it's good. I think these came out actually really cute considering like they're just like my yard shoes, and they're like my favorite shoes, so it's perfect. Those are good. These are also my yard shoes, but they're my yard shoes when it snows out. We good? Super cute too. Also a typical outfit I'd wear. I'll show you my husband's shoes. These are my husband's hiking shoes. We'll have to see when he puts them on, like how he feels like going for a hike in them. Because I did change like the sole of it a bit, but it worked. It worked. And these, I didn't use the caulk. I only used the glue, and I didn't like really do it great. But yeah, it's good. So that's like 4 pairs of shoes that I saved. Although these I got from Poshmark. They're so comfortable. I love them so much. Okay. I also got these from Poshmark. And these from Poshmark, if you watched my other video of my shoe breaking when I was in New York City, and I thought like, oh, I'm having like a wardrobe malfunction, it's probably gonna be the shirt I made. It wasn't, it was the shoes. So I went on Poshmark and I bought these in the same order that I bought the dress that I wore to the communion that I altered. Everything's related. But I wanted to show you guys these because I'm going to put the shoe clips on them. Stop. That's so cute. These surpass my expectations. I cannot lie. I didn't like officially clip them. You get it? And these were from my wedding shoes. And I didn't officially clip it, but you get it. Stop, it's so cute. I'm just gonna put them on just so you can see. It's clipped. So cute. switch it out. So we can also put this on this shoe and this on this shoe. Like, how cute. I cannot. I'm obsessed with this, I cannot lie. I love it. All of these shoes I'm just saving. Love it. There's no marks or anything. So you can also just wear your shoes regular. I'm obsessed. But like, why stop there? We can also put the shoe clip on the side. Like here, if we wanted. Or like here. Or literally anywhere. Like, you can put it anywhere. I mean, there's not that much shoe here, but like you could do the same thing with this shoe clip. You could also put this on the back. Let's open it. You can also put this on the back. Get creative. Fight fascism. Okay, bye.